All right, boss, what we got going on here?
So today what we have on the back 9 of roofing, if you show this, Stephen, right here.
Oh boy.
So this is moss on a roof. Once it gets to this point, it's done. You're not cleaning it, it's done. Right?
Oh.
What happens is, if you look at that, you'll see all the roof granules that the moss brings up. So when this stuff's on your roof, you're better off leaving it on the roof until you want to get a new roof. If you try to clean it, it's going to strip the roof and your roof is just done. Moving to the back side, you can see that it's stained. This right here, little green spots, this is called lichen. Like it or not, it's called lichen. Airborne. All right, so this right here, this green stuff is going to spread to that roof over there. You can actually see it a little bit on the corner. It's going to spread. There is a way to combat it so it doesn't happen. What you do is you install, when you do a new roof, you put a zinc strip up along the top so that way when it rains, the rain coats the roof with zinc and combats this from happening. Another problem, back to the pipe collar issue. Take a look at this bad boy. I mean, this is expert install. This is what you pay for. When you want a pipe collar installed, that's the way it gets installed. That is beautiful. Look at this, you got a hole right there, caulk all over the place. I mean, you gotta be kidding me. Another hole right here. Look at that, see the hole? Somebody nailed it, made a mistake, picked it up, and then decided to caulk it. That's silicone. This stuff pulls right off the roof. See that? Can't put silicone on a roof. Makes no sense. So all this is wrong 100%. You don't need to explain how bad that is. Fan, take a look at the fan. This row of shingle should be under. Right?
Under the fan.
Right, Rennie?
Yes.
Under, not over top. This should be under. Now look at this. You got the nails right here that are rusting away. Nailed in the wrong spot. It's leaking. I mean, guy didn't know what he was doing. Maybe the COVID hit. Who knows? Now these heat stacks that are on a lot of people's houses, the reason they leak is because this little cap right here, underneath this caulk, it's an opening that goes right into the attic. All this is watertight, even though it's kind of old, but this is where it leaks. It's not leaking now because they sealed it. It doesn't look pretty, but they sealed it nice and tight. So if you got a heat stack and you see water coming down, real simple, just seal that bad boy. I don't know what these bumps are right here, but I can tell you what, it ain't pretty. Look at the nails underneath. See they're rusting away?
Smoked.
Again, the guy tried to caulk it and the silicone just came right off. Look at it. It's not doing anything.
Nope, nothing.
Silicone is for breast implants. It's not for roofing. Have a good day.